Who are you? Are you it? I thought 17 was the Seeker. Are you even playing with us? Too bad for you. This spot is already taken. Wait, someone's coming. They're gonna give my hiding spot away. Close the door and hide.
Hey, it's been a while. Whoa, what are you doing here? I'm glad to see you're okay. At least I know what happened to me wasn't in vain. Last I remember, you and I were almost caught by the naughty ones, and then I was attacked. And after, I just woke up on a hospital bed. Apparently the surgeon runs things now? Since when? Whatever, I'll need to talk more with him. I'm here to pick up an old friend of mine that the surgeon says we need. He seemed to know what he's doing, so I volunteered. You should come with us. We'll be safe back in his office. Do you mind getting that other door for me? I'm in pretty bad shape.
I told you, close the door!
It's time to go, old friend. If I had known you were here this entire time, I would have come down sooner.
Wait, 6? It's really you.
6? What do you mean?
Now is not the time for joke 6. Hide and seek is no laughing matter. Are you gonna tell 17 about my location? You'd be cheating if you do.
Wow, that closet must have really messed your head up.
You showed me this hiding spot, remember? You told me to wait in here.
What? No, you've gone missing and now we found you. We need to go somewhere else.
Is 17 gonna find us there? We'll lose if he does.
No, we'll be completely safe from 17. This train should take us straight to the surgeon's office. Man, do I want today to be over already. The surgeon told me all sorts of crazy things that happened while I was gone. You teaming up with the surgeon to fight Sir Dodadoo using Josh? Sounds like something straight out of a dream. Did that really happen? I've never had so many questions that needed answering before. The sooner we arrive at our station, the sooner I can get my answers.
Why'd the train stop?
Attention, all beautiful citizens of my facility. A dangerous human has recently escaped containment. We are offering a bounty of 10 lollipops for their apprehension. They are wanted dead or alive. They will claim to be in search of their child. Do not fall for their pleas. They are liars. The new reclamation team has been dispatched. Do not interfere with their duties, or you will be severely prosecuted. Have a fantastic day. Father out.
That sounds an awful lot like you. But why? I thought you were working together. We can't have you come with us. They'll destroy you on sight. Alright, here's what we'll do. There is one final station between here and the surgeon's office, which is the old clinic. We'll drop you off there. The back door of the clinic should lead you straight to the back door of the tower where the surgeon is. The office is in one of the top floors. We can then use all of the equipment there to secretly locate your children without the surgeon. Just make your way through the clinic and meet back with me in the tower. We're here. Take this, you're gonna need it. Good luck. See you soon.
Bye!
Hey there, Dr. Uthman. I'm the Bitter Giggle assistant. How are you doing on this fine day? I'm detecting that the last doctor to clock in did so a very long time ago, which means there's sure to be a backlog of patients. Before I can let you right in, I'll need to do the routine physical scan. Stand on the cross so we can begin. It shouldn't take too long. Hold still. It won't hurt. Hopefully. Great! Now I'll do my calculations. Where do I even begin? I'm detecting a lot of abnormalities. None of your body parts are particularly healthy, but most importantly, I'm detecting significant damage to your skull, possibly due to blunt force. Did someone hit you over the head recently? Then there's your right arm. Have you been holding something for an extended period? You need to rest that arm. I'm also detecting significant damage to both of your legs. Have you fallen from a large distance recently? Allow me to see if there's any doctors on the premises that can check on you. Okay. Unfortunately, I'm not detecting our primary doctor or any human doctors on the premises currently. But you might just be in luck. Our makeshift doctor is indeed here. But before you head on inside, I'm obligated to give you a special tool. As you know, this facility treats both humans and non-humans, so all humans on the premises are required to keep this remote handy at all times. It acts both as your key to accessing certain rooms, as well as a deliverer of non-lethal electric shocks. At a time, the remote can hold charges of a singular color, which would allow you to access rooms that require a charge of said certain color. You may also combine colors of charges to create new colors. For example, a red charge and a blue charge make a purple charge. Let's give it a try. See those panels behind you? The charging stations on the floor allow you to receive a colored charge, which you can then exert onto the hanging panels. You did it! Great job! A list of possible color combinations is to my left. Feel free to stare at it for as long as you like. Head on inside and the makeshift doctor will see you right away. Also, if you find any patient modules inside and would like to use it, feel free to bring them back to me and I'll show you its contents.